Okay, so I took out the old one. This is the old internet cable. So I bought a new one, which is bigger and thicker. But this one still works on my PC, so it's not defective. Maybe it just does not fit the PS4 properly. Okay, so this is the new one that I bought. I'm gonna insert it to the PS4 and see if it works. There we go. You have a good click. So this is the new one. This is the old one. So let's check it out. Okay, let's see what's going on here. So let's test the internet connection. Alright, there we go. So your PS4 is not defective. Actually, I'm using a PS4 Pro. Yep. Before I had a PS4 Slim, 1 terabyte. Okay, so yeah, looks like it works. Let's try again just to make sure. Okay, just to show you. Alright, everything's all green. So that's my PC over here. Some of my games. Alright, it works. You still don't believe? Let's try again. Alright, there we go. Okay guys, so this is just like a chance. You can try if it works for you. If it does not work for you, well, I do apologize. This won't work for everybody. Everyone's PS4 does not have the same issue. The best you can really do is get your PS4 to Sony Service Center and have it checked. Shell out a few bucks. Don't be stingy, and don't complain if this doesn't work. This is a free. I'm helping people for free, and I don't get paid for this. So if it does not work for you, I'm sorry. Just like and subscribe. I'll keep you guys posted. I will update here on the video if I have any new discoveries, or I will make a new video if I discover another better troubleshooting option that won't cost you a single cent. So this is Richard. That's it for today, guys. See you next time. Peace.